In part 1 of this add-on, you programmed a sprite to change costumes. In this add-on, you'll get to create your own costume. Changing costumes is one way to animate a sprite. Take a look at a few examples in which changing between multiple costumes makes a sprite look like it's moving. To start, select a sprite in your story. There are two types of sprites in Scratch: vector and bitmap. It's much easier to animate vector sprites. Vector images are made up of different shapes, so you can rotate, move, and manipulate each shape individually. Click the Costumes tab to check whether the sprite is in vector mode. If not, add vector costumes so you can follow the instructions in this add-on. This example will animate the duck so that it waves its wings. To start, right-click on and duplicate an existing costume. Select the part you want to animate. In this case, the wing. If you can't select individual shapes, click the Ungroup button to break the shapes apart. Then you can rotate or resize the selected shapes. Great. Now the sprite has two costumes. Click between them to see the animation in action. It might take a few tries to get your animation right. Animating sprites can be really difficult. Experiment with the Paint editor, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Finally, program the costume changes to occur during your story. You can work that out on your own using what you learned in part 1 of this add-on. Now it's your turn. First, select a sprite. Second, check that it is a vector sprite. Third, copy one of its costumes. Fourth, select a shape within that costume. Fifth, edit it or rotate it. And finally, program some costume changes into your story.